Stock market is rigged by Wall Street. Now you can copy trade them using rigged AI. We are back for another rigged recap of the option trading system. We are looking November 1st, Friday. First thing I want to point out, system-wise, Apple had just reported earnings. You would expect this full send to be a little bit crazier, but what did they do? They moved it up into the yellow and then just flatlined this thing. 225.50. They said, no one is getting paid. We are going to kill both sides. But next, you have Tesla and SPY. They are blue. And what does blue mean? Blue means full send. It means good tags or a trend day. And what you have on both of these is nearly perfect tags. Okay? When we go down and we look at the max gain, right? They're practically all SPY and Tesla, right? SPY and Tesla went absolutely crazy. And that's what we expect when it's on full send mode. So something else to look out for, look at the max drawdown. You know, you have a couple of these that weren't very good, but the majority, right, is either yellow or green. Green, absolutely perfect alert, never in drawdown. And then yellow is going to be anything minus 30% or lower. Win slow, lose fast, cut your losers, because when you're in a winning trade, like if you took any of these KTR bears, the biggest mistake you could have made was taking 100% when it goes 5x or buying and holding till the end of the session, 274.35. Let's get into SPY really quickly. And this is something new here. We added these colors to the chart. And all that's telling you is that when you are 3 strikes higher above the blue line, we enter bull risk. And what that means is 3-strike rule says, on average, that's all we see is 3 strikes. And once you get up this high, it gets a little bit dicey, right? There is risk for all of these alerts as soon as you get into the yellow, okay? They make some money, but look at this thing pull back each time it hits 575. And then you also have perfect tags right here when you get back to 574. In fact, when we look at the chart, let me just take returns off. Let's just look at all the bulls. And if we're looking at these alerts, right? Anytime you traded a bull beneath this yellow, right? Every single one of them made money. This made money. This made money. You made money here to here. You made money here to here. You made money here. Even if you held it, you made money here. You made money here. Every single one. Okay? Now, if we look the opposite way, if you took bears in the yellow, every single one of them won. You know, we got complete like mean reversion here, where they just close us right back at the blue line. But that's incredible, right? Because when you're looking at this, and like we make it easy for you guys, you're just at 575, you pull down, okay? That's a big, big, giant move. The win rate here is high, 72.73% of the time. It returns what? Over 100% in the session. That tells us it's an alert that we want to target. And if you're taking it, you win. Here, you're late again. If you're using KTR, up here, I mean, it just crushes it. That's what this is about. That is using rigged AI like a boss. Anytime you're late, and it's very easy to see. Even, right, we can't see anything else. This is the only thing on our chart, okay? You get this alert, it's 12:45. You can see that this was a giant move down. You moved $1 essentially in 1240 to what? In 4 minutes. So you moved a full strike in 4 minutes. That's late. You can see it. Enter using KTR, and then you absolutely freaking crush it because you're getting a move all the way down to the blue line here at the end. High volume, mean reversion, classic Friday action. But again, if you traded bulls underneath this yellow, you made money every single time. You made money every single time taking bears up in the yellow. A little bit different on QQQ. We moved a little bit higher. And like, here's how to use this like as a guide, right? One, we get all the way past the yellow. You get to 495 strikes, essentially higher than the blue line. And again, what do we want to do? When we're this high up, we're looking to enter anything on the pullback, and the bulls down here crush it. Why? Because they're right at 3 strikes. I mean, even here, you're making a little bit of money, but if we go to bulls only, let's turn on the returns. Like, that's incredible right here. 151%, and then all in here, you're getting 100, 134, 144. Because why? We get in this yellow, bull risk, you get to the bottom, 3 strikes, you get the pump, it goes back into the red, and then comes back down. There were some phenomenal bear alerts. I mean, KTR for this, I mean, that's kind of a crazy one. It's not really something you'd think about. But this one right here, right? You're late. Okay, we take this. Boom. And you're getting that quickly. Because once it comes down here to 487, you are making money. Anytime you took a bear in the red, you made money. If you took a bull up here where it says, screaming in your face, extreme bull risk, you obviously got crushed. Buying the pullback, made money. Come back to IWM. We traded this, and then we lost some money on our runners that we held entirely too long beyond this here. And the main reason why, right here, you're getting a 51.11, and here you're getting a 100% win rate, and that looks really, really, really good. You want that pullback, right? But what happens is the volume goes from 100% and then it just falls off, right? Whenever this happens and volume comes down, the outline of this thing is red. It's telling you likely mean reversion. And all that means is you come down to the blue line, you bounce off of it, you come below the blue line, and then, we finish right at this 219 strike. Not an incredible day on IWM, but that's to be expected. It says nightmare mode right here. The outline is red. You go to SPY, and it's much better. Why? Because you're getting really, really good tags, especially right here, right? 310 and all of those absolutely just crush it because you're getting 100% from 1329 to in less than 10 minutes. Like, that is what a winning trade feels like. That is using rigged AI like a boss. Full send, perfect tags. And it's like QQQ, volume's a little bit lower, tags are not as great versus SPY. Oh my gosh, awesome, awesome, awesome. And then you're looking at IWM, crappy. We want to be active in the market when Wall Street is active, and that's why we want to copy trade them on full send mode. More videos coming out. Docs are getting upgraded. Cheers to all the new members. It's going to be a crazy week.